In this video, I look at a common question asked by teachers. Which are the best apps to use with students? Choosing apps is dependent on knowing the teaching context and the students. So instead of a list of apps, I'll suggest criteria to guide your choice of apps. What will students learn from using the app? Apps should have a pedagogical benefit. How can it help develop students' skills or knowledge? Will it make them more autonomous? Will it empower them or develop their digital literacies? Will students find it interesting? Technology isn't intrinsically motivating. Showing students a blogging app and telling them to write won't motivate them. Helping them structure a blog about a topic they're interested in and having a clear aim will be more interesting. So always think about learning goals. Will all of the students be able to access the app? Teachers want free apps as neither they nor their students want to pay. Consider commercial apps though, as they may offer good value. The price may be reasonable, and if you use the app a lot, it might be a good investment. What platform does the app work on? Check that all of your students can access the app regardless of their device. Many companies produce a version of the app that also runs in a browser, regardless of whether it's a phone or a laptop. These are the most accessible. How easy is it to use? Many apps are capable of marvelous things if you spend hours learning how to use them. These aren't good. If it takes longer than 5 minutes to show your students how the app works, some will struggle and may not be able to complete your activities. If you can use an app for multiple activities over a period of time, then it may be worth investing more time and money. Paid apps usually bring additional functionality. Paying for apps will help to ensure that they're still around when you want to use them and help the creators improve them. How safe is it? Safety is a complex issue, but student safety is paramount. Check these things. Look at the terms of use. Make sure the app is not giving away or selling your students' personal data. Find the address of the company that makes the app so the owners are accountable. If there's any student-to-student interaction, or if the app offers students contact with a community, make sure there's a way of flagging and blocking people who make your students uncomfortable. The most important thing to keep students safe is to train them to understand safety features, protect their own and each other's privacy, and not to share contact information with anyone. So my tip for choosing apps is think first about what students will learn and whether it will interest them, then check accessibility, ease of use, and safety.